So with the regular pass, use the inside of your foot, right here. And you want to hit the ball right here along its equator. Think of it as the globe. And for a long pass, you want to hit the ball right here around this area of your foot. It's more like a shot, but the shot is more direct, it's more blunt, and it's more about power. And I'm going to try to lob it up using this part of my foot and getting it underneath the equator, like right about here. Now, the main difference between a long pass and a shot is a long pass, you lean back. You lean your body back and you want to get under the ball so it gets over the other people.